Hello guys, Thingy1118 here with system test 8 of the Gent Xenex fire alarm system. I'm going to start by putting it into full alarm because I'm going to show you a function I've added to the panel. I've added something new, so no, I'm not going to put it into any test mode, just going to go straight round to this call point and set the call point off, and you'll see what happens. It's my phone down there. You'll have a look what happens now.
Gent Xenex power. Gent Xenex power. Gent Xenex power.
As you can see, the panel now dials my phone when the alarm goes off, which is handy if you're outside the house and you can it will remotely alert you when there's a fire. Hopefully the battery won't die. The battery might die on this camera. Let's carry on. Put it into test mode now. So, oh great. Test mode, where is it? Got the battery sound on the camera, hopefully it doesn't die on me. Right, let's do test mode. Okay. Okay, now let's test the above smoke detector up there. Stand on something, hang on. Here we go. Might reactivate. Maybe not. Okay. Now we just got to test the call points downstairs. Oh, reactivated. Hopefully they don't reactivate again. Let's get downstairs anyway. There's the Washington sounder. Right. Let's try and get in here. Okay. Downstairs call point should be mounted, but it's accessible anyway. Excellent. We can just get the key and it will be handy. Okay, we'll reset the call point. Head back upstairs. That was the Washington sounder back there, by the way. Right. Those last things to do, we might as well do a display test. Let's clear all these. Oh, fully working. Display test fully working. Okay. That's about it. Thanks for watching System Test 8 of the Gent Xenex fire alarm system with the new addition of the remote notification via the panel dialing my phone. But yeah, all works. System's working. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next videos to come.